In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy a Lovable app on Netlify with a custom domain. We'll start inside your Lovable AI dashboard. Open your profile and head into Settings. In the Settings area, find the GitHub section and connect your account. Authorize access so Lovable can create or update a repository for your app. If you're prompted to choose between limited or full access, pick the scope that includes the repository for this project. This link is important because Netlify will later pull your code straight from GitHub. Now switch over to your Netlify dashboard, create a new project and choose the option to start from a template. Pick a template that matches your Lovable app's stack. When Netlify asks where the code will live, select GitHub as the provider and complete the connection if you haven't already. Give your project a clear, memorable name so you can find it easily later. Then confirm the deploy. Netlify will kick off the first build and deployment. You can watch progress in real time. The logs will show the install, build, and publish steps. Most templates are auto-detected, so the build command and publish directory are usually filled in correctly. If your app uses environment variables, you can add them later in site settings without redeploying from scratch. Netlify will rebuild with the new values the next time you trigger a deploy. Once the site is live on its temporary Netlify subdomain, open the site overview and go to Domain Management. Choose Add a Domain, then select the option to use a domain you already own. Enter your custom domain and follow the on-screen guidance. You can delegate DNS to Netlify by updating name servers at your registrar, or keep your current DNS provider and add the exact records Netlify provides. If you're keeping external DNS, that usually means adding a kname for the www hostname and an A or alias a name for the root, depending on your provider's capabilities. After DNS changes, give it some time to propagate. Netlify will automatically provision and renew an SSL certificate once the domain is verified, so you'll get HTTPS without extra steps. You can check status in domain management. When everything is green, your site is serving securely on your custom domain. From here on, your workflow is streamlined. Lovable AI pushes code to GitHub, and Netlify watches that repository. Any new commits to the main branch will trigger a fresh build and deploy, keeping your production site in sync with your app's latest changes. That's it. Your Lovable app is deployed on Netlify and reachable at your own domain.